Good morning, Bears. I'm Mark.
And I'm Nick reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and seniors, 100 of you have a chance to take your yearbook photo taken right here on campus November 5th. There are limited spots, so look out for a flyer to the QR code to sign up.
And did you continue your homecoming spirit today? Can you guess who we are? It's Throwback Thursday, so which era are you expressing? We're from the 1990s. Tomorrow ends Homecoming Spirit Week with Pink Out Day. Put on your brightest pink fit.
Once more, kudos to the BNB, who will advance to our URL area rounds to compete in the prelims on November 2nd at the Judson Red Lake Stadium at 9:30 a.m. BFNDB. Once more, here's a shout out to cross-country runners and the state qualifiers Caitlin Britson and third place overall Zach Millers, who placed fourth overall. Let's wish them well on November 1st, the state cross-country meet in Round Rock. Keep running, Bears.
And once more, congrats to Makai Thompson, who scored 5 touchdowns to lead our Bears football team on their 72-7 homecoming win against Holmes. He tied for most rushing touchdowns in a game. And kudos also to Isaac Seward for tying the record for most extra points in a game with 10 kicks, and to 5 other Bears who also scored.
But the highlight of the halftime was the crowning of Trey Nee and as homecoming king as Asia Dillard as homecoming queen. And here's a huge shout out to our 2024 homecoming emperor and empress Alex and Jada. Love seeing you on the field this past weekend. Did you also hear the awesome music at the String Orchestra Fall Concert this past Tuesday? Their performance includes music from How to Train Your Dragon, Encanto, and Harry Potter Way to Play.
The Northside ISD Council of PTA's Jack C. Jordan Foundation Scholarship Fund is taking applications. One senior will earn a $1,000 scholarship. The application closes on November 15th. For more information, visit the CCMA's office or email brandonptsa@gmail.com. And also, take advantage of a college application workshop in the Career Center, A142. Tomorrow during all lunch periods, be sure to bring your Chromebook. The Brennan Mock Trial Club meets today after school. Come out and support their pumpkin painting fundraiser all week during all lunch periods.
Finally, make plans to come out for our Career and Engaged Learning Expo today from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. here at Brennan. You get to see Brennan CTE students and teachers as they showcase their awesome projects like us setting up a portable BTV studio. This will be a good time to explore CTE courses as you plan for the next year. Join us at the expo.
And this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
I'm Nick, signing out from BTV, and have a great day. Keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and involved every day.
And I'm Mark. Remember to wear pink tomorrow for Pink Out Day.
This is a BTV production.